Can you imagine a world where technology seamlessly blends into every part of your life, making things easier, faster, and even more fun? Well, that world isn't far off. Today, we're going to take a look at 12 incredible inventions that are changing the way we live. These groundbreaking gadgets will not only make your life more convenient, but also make you wonder how you ever lived without them. Ready to dive into the future? Let's explore these game-changing inventions. 1. TCL Raineo X2 Augmented Reality Glasses that do it all. What if your glasses could do much more than just help you see? The TCL Raineo X2 is here to turn that dream into reality. These stylish augmented reality glasses not only help you navigate the world, but also allow you to interact with it. With a 16-megapixel camera, these glasses can give you real-time translations, provide GPS navigation, and send smart notifications directly to your eyes. Powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon XR2 platform, the Raineo X2 is a fully functional tech device disguised as a pair of sleek sunglasses. Imagine having a virtual assistant right in front of you, providing useful information instantly as you go about your day. The future of wearable tech is here. 2. Lifily E-Wagon W1 Pro, the electric wagon you didn't know you needed. What if you had a wagon that could carry heavy loads, climb slopes, and fold up for easy storage? The Lifily E-Wagon W1 Pro is not your average wagon. This electric-powered marvel features a 500W motor, making it easy to carry up to 132 pounds of gear for outdoor activities like camping, gardening, or shopping. Whether you need to haul large loads or just want a simple, eco-friendly solution for transporting your things, this wagon makes life a whole lot easier. Plus, it's compact enough to fold and fit into your car for ultimate convenience. No more struggling with heavy loads. The Lifily E-Wagon takes care of it all. 3. VOIXATCH, a smartwatch that's a phone, GPS, and headset all in one. What if your smartwatch could do everything your phone can do, without needing your phone at all? The VOIXATCH smartwatch does just that. This innovative gadget allows you to make calls, send texts, browse the internet, and even use GPS, all directly from your wrist. When you need to take a call hands-free, the bezel of the VOIXATCH detaches to become a Bluetooth headset. Just twist it off, pop it in your ear, and continue your day. With a sleek design and powerful features, VOIXATCH is a game-changer in wearable tech. 4. UGOT Robotic Kit. Build your robots and explore the world of AI. Ever dreamed of creating your robot? With the UGOT Robotic Kit, you can do just that. This modular kit lets you build up to 7 different types of robots, from simple designs to more complex creations. The UGOT kit also opens the door to artificial intelligence, allowing you to experiment with features like speech recognition, gesture control, and bionic mobility. If you've always been fascinated by robotics and AI, this kit is the perfect way to dive into the world of technology and start building your robots. You'll have endless possibilities to customize and create robots that fit your imagination. 5. DOPPELMAYR GARAVENTA, revolutionizing transportation with cable cars. What if getting to your destination didn't mean waiting in traffic? DOPPELMAYR GARAVENTA is revolutionizing transportation with its state-of-the-art cable cars, gondolas, and chairlifts. Whether you're traveling through a ski resort, amusement park, or busy city, their transport systems make it faster, greener, and more efficient. With over 15,400 installations in 96 countries, these advanced transportation solutions are taking travel to new heights, literally. Expect a smoother, more sustainable way of getting from point A to point B with DOPPELMAYR GARAVENTA. 6. AIRSPEEDER Crewed for Malawian Quatches, the future of racing and aviation. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to race in the sky? The AIRSPEEDER Crewed for Malawian Quatches makes that dream a reality. This flying vehicle is the fastest hydrogen-electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft in the world, reaching speeds of 225 miles per hour in just 30 seconds. With a power output of 1,340 horsepower and a lightweight design, the AIRSPEEDER is set to revolutionize the world of motorsports and aviation. Imagine competing in races where the track is the sky, and the future of racing takes off. 7. Apple Vision Pro, a new era in computing. Imagine a device that lets you control everything around you with just your eyes. hands, and voice. That's exactly what the Apple Vision Pro does. This innovative headset blends the physical and digital worlds, allowing you to interact with apps, videos, and images in a fully immersive experience. The Vision Pro uses cutting-edge technology like a custom micro OLED screen, spatial audio, and eye tracking to bring your digital life to life like never before. Step into a new era of computing and experience what it's like to live in a truly digital world. 8. PESA H2 Loco, the hydrogen-powered locomotive. As the world shifts toward cleaner energy, the PESA H2 Loco is leading the way in eco-friendly rail travel. Powered by hydrogen fuel cells, this locomotive can pull up to 3,200 tons of cargo without emitting harmful pollutants. Capable of running for 15 hours on a single refuel and reaching speeds of 90 kilometers per hour, this hydrogen-powered train is a game-changer in the world of sustainable transportation. With the PESA H2 Loco, you can travel across vast distances while helping to reduce your carbon footprint. 9. EcoFlow Blade Robotic, the ultimate lawn care solution. What if you could sit back, relax, and let technology take care of your lawn? The EcoFlow Blade Robotic Lawn Mower makes that a reality. Equipped with advanced sensors and GPS, this robotic mower can scan your yard, detect obstacles, and determine the best path for mowing. Plus, it's not just for mowing. It comes with a yard sweeper kit that picks up leaves and debris as it goes. With the EcoFlow app, you can easily control and monitor the mower's progress, making lawn care as easy as pressing a button. 10. Apex Maker X1, a 3D printer for the pros. If you're serious about 3D printing, the Apex Maker X1 is the tool you need. With a high-resolution LCD screen and a massive build volume, this industrial-grade 3D printer can handle large projects or multiple smaller ones with ease. Whether you're creating prototypes, parts, or intricate designs, the Apex Maker X1 offers fast, high-quality prints with incredible accuracy. With this printer, you can bring your creative ideas to life in a whole new way. 11. AIRSPEEDER F3800, the ultimate portable power station. When you need reliable power on the go, the AIRSPEEDER F3800 is there to help. This powerful portable power station can provide up to 6,000 watts of AC output, making it perfect for running appliances, charging your electric vehicle, or even storing solar energy. Plus, it's designed with a smart app that lets you monitor and control your energy usage from anywhere. Whether you're camping, dealing with a power outage, or off the grid, the Solix F3800 ensures you'll always have the power you need. 12. Alarm Stop Sleep. Wake up like never before. Waking up to the sound of a loud alarm can be jarring. But what if you could wake up more naturally? The Alarm Stop Sleep is here to help you do just that. This unique alarm clock simulates the gradual increase of daylight by adjusting the brightness and color temperature of its light, gently waking you up in sync with your body's natural circadian rhythm. It also includes a vibrating wristband to ensure you wake up calmly and without stress. Say goodbye to the snooze button and start your day the right way. These 12 amazing inventions aren't just about cool gadgets. They're about transforming the way we live, work, and play. These breakthroughs in technology are pushing the boundaries of what's possible and making everyday life easier, more efficient, and even more fun. The future is here, and it's incredibly exciting. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to stay up to date on all the latest and greatest inventions that will change your life. And who knows, maybe the next big invention will come from someone just like you.